the Vistabule Teardrop trailer pass-through. What's it all about? People ask, and the question's been trying to be answered by several people, but I'm going to address it now. It's a nice feature that's built into this Teardrop trailer. You don't see too many trailers with this feature built in, but Bert Taylor of Vistabule built it in, and I'm glad he did. It's a really nice feature. Now, you can live without it, but your life just won't be as good. So, I use it several ways. You know, the good news is you can close it off in the winter or cooler weather for privacy, or for, you know, when I have the hatch closed. There's cold air that can come in here from the hatch, so this makes the compartment a little smaller and private, and it makes it much easier to heat. I have a heater in here. I've been using it this week. I'm out in Pennsylvania for 7 days, and it got pretty cold last. I got that at 37. You know, it's the beginning of the winter. I'm not kind of hardened for the cold, so this makes it easier to warm this whole thing up. But other than that, it does a lot of other things too, the way I use it. I have an outlet here for AC, and I have a DC outlet here. And I keep some coasters up here. You can put drinks up here, food, gear. One of the things before I go to bed, you know, the space in the Teardrop trailer is a little limited. It's small by design, right? That's how it's supposed to be. It's a queen-size mattress footprint in here, maybe a little larger. So storage is important. Now, I can reach back here into the galley when everything is closed up, and I can get some avocados if I need avocados. I can get a water sprayer. I can get a water pick. I can get some drinking water, bring it in here. One of the things I keep back here are binoculars. When I wake up in the morning, I open that big front window, and I can see out what's happening. You know, this trailer has views on all four sides. It's the only trailer I found like that. The windows are usable. I can see out the back. There's a back window. So it's really good. It facilitates communication between the front and the back. If you've got a chef back here working away, and you need more, you know, you need another COVID teeny. The COVID teeny is like a martini, but you drink it alone. But if you need another, some water or something, so, you know, your chef can pass it to you, or you can pass food through in foul weather, which I've done plenty of times. When I'm camping with somebody, maybe they're inside, and I'm out in the rain cooking. Okay, here comes the second helping.
Okay. This is awesome.
Okay.
I love it.
Okay. I can just pass in the dinner and have it on a table in here. There's also screening that goes in here, and you can take those screens out. Like now it's October, there's not many bugs out at all. It's great. It's a wonderful time to camp, October, in this area. And I can have this wide open for full ventilation. And when you're driving, it's also great when you're driving. When you're in the tow vehicle, you have a clear view through the front window out the back, and that can just tell you if somebody's back there, because there's a window on the hatch also. That can tell you if somebody's back there when you're going to change lanes or whatever. Now, you don't have to have that, but it sure is a nice feature to have. So it's a great feature. I just wanted to explain. A lot of people ask me about it. You know, what's up with that hole back there? What is that all about? Some people have thought it's a fire escape. Well, you could go out this way, but the door's a lot easier. You know, it's pretty good. So that's the Vistabule pass-through. It's a very nice feature.